2 days later.
So I got it in the camera. I don't want to post it. I know you since long time. I never thought you do to me like that. Okay? Yes, you. I got you, bro. I'm gonna show him to your friend. Give me $10 right now. Are you? Come on. Yes, you. What? Don't act like you didn't know that. Come on, you have the phone. No, I'm gonna show him, and then you decide, okay? You know the other day when you come, okay? You see him, yeah? You see him. Look what it is. You think three text over? Don't. I know you. I think. Okay, just give him the. Okay, give him $10, and then he just left, and then look what it is. He put it in his pocket here. He took paper. Look what it is. I know you for more than 12 years. I never expect to. Even I promise you, I fight for you behind you. I told him he will never do it. But when I see the camera, I was shocked. Please, don't do me like that. Just say it.
That's you. I mean,